Google Keep is a productivity tool many people consider, but is it really the right choice for you? In this video, we're diving into 12 things you need to know before buying Google Keep, so stick around till the end to see how it compares to its competitors. First up, Google Keep is great for quick note taking. You can jot down ideas, lists, or voice memos with ease. It's super simple, which is what makes it stand out from more complex tools like Evernote or Notion, which can overwhelm new users with extra features. Next thing, it syncs seamlessly with other Google services. If you're already using Gmail, Google Calendar, or Google Docs, Keep works flawlessly alongside them. This is a big plus over standalone tools like OneNote, which might not integrate as smoothly into your existing Google ecosystem. The third thing you should know is that Google Keep offers a simple interface. It's straightforward, and there's no steep learning curve like you might find with apps like Notion, which requires a bit of a time investment to get the most out of it. Now, let's talk about reminders. Google Keep lets you set time-based or location-based reminders, but it lacks the advanced reminder features that you'll find in apps like Todoist, which offer more detailed recurring task management and subtasks. The fifth thing is voice memos. If you're someone who likes to capture ideas on the go, Google Keep lets you record and transcribe voice notes automatically, saving you time. Competitors like Evernote and OneNote also offer this, but Keep's transcription works really well for short snippets. The sixth thing, it's mobile friendly. The app is well suited for phones, especially for quick note taking or lists while on the go. But if you're someone who wants a full desktop experience, you might feel limited compared to other apps like Notion or Evernote, which offer more robust desktop functionality. Moving on to the seventh thing, collaboration. You can share your notes and collaborate in real time with others, which is great for team projects or group brainstorming. However, compared to Google Docs or apps like Microsoft OneNote, Google Keep's collaboration tools are basic and lack in-depth features. The eighth thing, Google Keep is free to use, which is a big advantage. There are no paid tiers or hidden costs, unlike Evernote, which restricts basic features unless you upgrade to a premium version. The ninth thing is the lack of advanced formatting. Google Keep doesn't have the extensive formatting options that tools like OneNote or Notion offer. If you need things like tables, rich text formatting, or extensive file management, you might find Keep lacking. Next thing, Google Keep's search function is fast and efficient. If you're storing lots of notes, you can search through them easily, which is something apps like Evernote do well, but Keep Search is simpler and quicker to use, so it's perfect for quick retrieval. The 11th thing is that Google Keep allows you to add images and drawings to your notes, which helps when you need to quickly sketch something out or add visual elements. While this is nice, tools like Notion offer even more robust options for embedding images and multimedia in your notes. Finally, the 12th thing, it's really light on features. That could be seen as both an advantage and disadvantage. If you want something simple and easy to use, Google Keep excels. But if you're looking for a tool that can manage more complex projects or your entire work life, you may find it lacking compared to something like Notion or Trello, which offer advanced project management features. In conclusion, Google Keep is a solid, user-friendly tool that's perfect for simple note-taking and to-do lists, especially if you're already invested in the Google ecosystem. However, if you're looking for something more robust and feature-rich, we've got a recommendation for you. Check out our suggested solution that you can try for free and see if it's a better fit for your needs.